Congratulations on your new Renault TRAFIC. You've made a smart choice picking Fleetworld's medium van of the year, so let's get you on the road. To access the vehicle securely, you have a 3-button key with selective door opening. And for those who chose the optional hands-free keycard to open the van, simply have the keycard on you, and when the van detects you up close, you just need to press the button on either the driver, passenger or rear doors, and the van will automatically unlock. To lock the van with a keycard on you, just walk away. Once inside, you can achieve the perfect driving position with 3 levers. Firstly, on the seat. This one moves the seat forward and backwards. This one raises the seat itself. And then, to adjust the steering wheel, pull this lever, move to the desired position, and lock in place. The TRAFIC has an impressive class-leading 90 litres of storage in the cabin area, allowing you to have everything within easy reach. This includes hidden cup holders, dashboard storage, and a remarkable 54 litres easily accessible under the passenger seat, allowing you to keep tools out of sight. To allow you to work on the go, the middle passenger seat conveniently folds, forming a table to create a mobile office. You can store your laptop here, out of sight, and there's also a detachable clipboard. The Renault TRAFIC's innovative media nav offers fantastic connectivity options so that you can enjoy stress-free travel. So let's start with Bluetooth phone connection. Make sure your phone Bluetooth option is switched on. Then click on Phone on the media nav menu. Then search for Bluetooth device. Then just follow the instructions on your phone and you'll be away. To use your phone safely whilst driving, you'll need to access voice control. And you'll find the button on the right side of the steering wheel. Now, on the touchscreen, if you select media, you can listen to your favourite tracks. But if you prefer to listen to the radio, just select it from the menu here. And you'll be able to create a preset by choosing the station from the list. Click on Preset, then click and hold on Add New. To adjust the volume or change track safely, you can use the controls behind your steering wheel. For navigation, select Nav, then Destination, and enter the address. The Renault TRAFIC is packed with useful driver aids to make your journey all the more relaxing. Depending on the incline, Hill Start Assist will hold the van for approximately 2 seconds whilst the driver lifts their foot from the brake to the accelerator, helping prevent rollback. There are also a range of driver assistance features. The cruise control and speed limiter functions can be found to the left of the steering wheel. To adjust their speed, just use the up and down toggle on the steering wheel itself. The fog lights can be found on the left paddle stick. For extra blind spot visibility, there is a wide view mirror in the passenger sun visor. Just pull it down and you're good to go. If any warning lights appear on your dashboard, refer to your handbook and call your local dealership. To access the fuel cap on the Renault TRAFIC, you'll need to open the passenger door. And you'll find the AdBlue cap there too. You'll find the spare tyre under the vehicle. To extend the rear doors fully 180 degrees to allow for easy loading, just pull this lever and the doors will extend. To open the bonnet on your Renault TRAFIC, just pull the lever in the passenger footwell. Then simply push a small lever which is slightly to the right of centre of the bonnet whilst lifting. To access the load-through bulkhead, simply lift this flap in the load area. When you pull it up, it'll stay firmly in place. Then to get the full load length through the footwell, go into the cabin area, raise the passenger seat and pull this second flap. So, it's time to have some fun. Don't forget to get your service booked in with your local Renault dealership every 2 years or 24,000 miles.